Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make my hairspray. Before we go into that, if you're just joining me for the first time and you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly click on that red button down below and subscribe to this channel. Also give this video a big thumbs up. Now let's go right into today's video. So my first ingredient is going to be cloves. So if you've been watching my videos, you know I use cloves all the time because clove is a very good herb. It helps with scalp and blood circulation. It adds shines to hair. It fights scalp irritation, promotes hair growth. It has a good amount of antioxidants and antifungal properties. So that is why I love cloves. So let's move over to our next ingredients. So my next ingredient is going to be ginger. Now this is optional, but I love to use ginger with cloves because ginger also has lots of fatty acids, vitamins and minerals to strengthen your hair strands. It also boosts blood circulation. As a result, it stimulates hair growth. So those two mixtures are very great and I love to use both. So I'm going to measure 2 spoons of my clove powder into my ginger because I'm going to be blending them both. So here I've already blended both together, so you don't need to have a smooth consistency. Just make sure you blend them well. And I also transferred them into a bigger bowl because I'll be adding hot water into this. So this is me adding my hot water and I'm going to stir it to make sure everything is properly mixed. And this is what it looks like, guys, because I'm going to be straining this, but you have to wait for it to cool down a bit before straining this. So you can use a cheesecloth, you can use a socks, but just anything to make sure that the chaff and the particles are not going to enter your water, because you don't want to have particles on your hairspray. So guys, at this point, after straining it, you can decide to add some essential oils for added benefits. So you strain that out and this is it, guys. My hairspray is ready. My ginger and cloves are ready. So I'm just going to put them into my spray bottle. This is to enable proper application, when I'm using it to moisturize my hair. So you can use it to moisturize your hair. You can use it as a tea rinse. Just use it to rinse your hair, probably on your wash day. Use it to rinse your hair. So I have this big batch and this bottle is about 250 ml. No, it's about 500 ml. Yes, it's about 500 ml and it's going to last me for up to 2 months if I'm just using it as a hairspray to moisturize my hair. So what I do is I put it in the refrigerator, and each time I want to use it, I just transfer a bit to my spray bottle. So guys, that will be all for today's video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit that red button on your interface and subscribe to this channel. Also give this video a big thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.